Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover deleted photos, contacts, and files via iCloud. So first thing I'm going to do is go to my iPhone and my photos here. I'm going to select a few pictures here, some important pictures on my phone here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the trash can icon to delete the items there. And now I'm going to delete a contact. So go to a contact here and delete it by going to edit and then to the bottom, go to delete contact. The same thing works for files. I'm not going to show you me deleting files, but it will work the same with files as well. So now let's go ahead and dive over to the desktop here, and I want you to log into your iCloud account and go to www.icloud.com. As you can see that I'm over here on iCloud.com. I have logged in. The first thing I want you to do is click on right here under where it says good morning and then your name. It may have a picture of your account here. Go to account settings. Once you've clicked on account settings, it'll show you all of your different devices that you have. But here at the very bottom in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to see a few things that say restore files, restore contacts, calendars and bookmarks, things like that. So we're going to go ahead and go to restore contacts. So if we do that there, you're now going to see any contacts that you have deleted recently. And so if we go here, we can select this one here, go to restore. The archive of contacts you have selected will replace contacts on all of your devices. Your current contacts will be archived. Now remember, if you do this and go and you restore from an archive, it'll bring back your old contacts, maybe the ones that you've deleted, but it will also erase the current one that you have now. So be aware of that. Click restore if that's something that you want to do. You can go to restore files to find any recoverable files here. The same thing will work for calendars as well as bookmarks. So you may be asking, well, I don't see anything about photos. Well, all you've got to do is log into your iCloud account. We can also do it from the phone, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. But we can also log into your iCloud account and go to Photos here on your iCloud account. And then once we are there within the Photos app there, you're going to see something in the upper left-hand corner that says Recently Deleted. These are going to be all of the ones that have been recently deleted. You can delete them permanently by selecting them and then go to Delete One Item, or you can select an item or a picture like I have here and then go to Recover in the upper right-hand corner by selecting the Recover option there, and then boom, that'll now be right back on your device. So again, you can select multiple images as well by going here and then shift clicking or command clicking and then either delete or recover those photos. They'll be directly put back into your photo album there. Let's hop over to the phone and let me show you how to do that easily on the mobile device as well. Once we're back on our mobile device here on our phone or iPad, we go to the Photos app here where all of our photos are stored. Go to Albums, which is the third option there on the right, and then scroll all the way down to where you see Recently Deleted. You can select the Recently Deleted there, and then you're going to see all of the ones that are available to be recovered. Now, a word of warning, only photos that have been deleted within 40 days are going to be able to be recovered. So if it's 41 days, you're out of luck. That 41-day-old photo that you deleted is gone into the nether forever. My recommendation for you would be to utilize a service like Google Photos, which is something that I have on my phone. So if I go to Google Photos here, every single time I take a picture with my phone, any of my devices here that's synced up to Google Photos, it will automatically sync up to my Google Photos. That way I don't have to worry about storing them here on my mobile device. If you want to know how to set up Google Photos, I'll link the video in the card above as well as the end screen at the end of this video. If you have any questions about restoring photos, contacts, files, bookmarks, whatever from iCloud, please put that in the comment section below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you want more great technology content, tutorials, reviews just like this here, and I will see you guys in the next video.